Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to give Robux to friends. All right, let's begin. The easiest way to transfer Robux without a group is by using a game pass. First, go to the Roblox homepage and click on the Create section to open the Creator Hub. From there, click on Creations and select any game you own. Next, go to the Monetization tab and choose Passes. Create a new pass, give it a name, and upload any image. After creating it, open the pass settings by clicking the three dots icon and selecting Edit. Then, go to Sales, enable Item for Sale, and set your desired Robux price. Before saving, make sure to disable regional pricing so the amount stays consistent for all users. Then, save your changes. Now, you can go back to your games page, open the Store tab, copy the link, and send it to your friend. When your friend buys the pass, the Robux will transfer to your account, or vice versa if they create the pass and you purchase it. Keep in mind that Roblox applies a tax, so the receiver gets slightly less than the listed amount. So that's basically how you can give Robux to friends. That's it for this video. Thanks.